So this is a hairy or fuzzy tomato. I don't know how you pronounce it. Sherazade. Yeah, I don't know. But it's really, really unique. A lot of people haven't seen these. But I think this one is amazing. Like, it's perfect in every way. The shape, pretty color, and the fuzz. I mean, look at that. It's crazy. This is Sherazade, fuzzy tomato.
I don't want to cut it.
I know.
It's all soft.
I know.
Okay, I'll cut it this way.
Yeah. But there's lots of seed, maybe. We'll see.
It's juicy. Look at that.
Wow. Oh. Man, I love everything about this tomato so far. Like, really. Look at that. So juicy. And then fuzzy. It looks like a peach or something. Nectarine, because it's fuzzy like that, and then it's juicy. Man, that's so cool. Hello. So now it's time to taste a very different tomato. Sherazade. I don't know how to say it, but anyway, it's fuzzy. We've sliced it and ready to eat it. It had very tiny seeds. I think I remember that from when I planted it. Like, man, these are small. But we've watched this thing grow and mature like for probably over a 2-month period, and I've been looking forward to it, and here we are. We almost didn't want to cut it. It was too cute. So, let's see. What do you think? Extremely juicy.
Yeah.
Skin is a little bit thick and, you know, fuzzy.
And the skin just feels exactly like eating a peach.
Yeah, it does.
Exactly.
It is.
A peach.
Yeah.
And then the taste is a lot like a bright red tomato. It's not that sour, acidic. It's not, but
Not really sweet either. Just has kind of a savory flavor. That's so weird. I mean, because skin feels like peach skin in your mouth. But it tastes like a red tomato.
yeah.
That is so bizarre. But definitely a really fun one to try.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah.
Like, it's not like a red cherry tomato, for example, that are really sweet and sour. It's maybe not exactly like a normal red tomato either.
No.
But it's really close.
Yeah, and it's a little more savory, I think.
And then the peach skin.
Yeah. I think Kiki agrees. Right, Kiki? You want to taste, Kiki? So yeah, what I'm really interested in is maybe in the future using this tomato to cross with something else on purpose to see what happens, because it's such a different tomato. It's fascinating. So I'd really like to see if I can do something like that. If you think about like the Cherokee purple tomato, and then you've got Cherokee rose, and the rose one is Cherokee purple mixed with something else fuzzy, and that's why Cherokee rose is a bit fuzzy. So it's along that line of what I'm wanting to test. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. So glad you could join us. Is there anything else? So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Bye.
Bye.